This is just one of the Cessnas nearby. I'm shooting out behind 24162, and I see the orange left light coming closest to me, and then it's white, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right, right, right. But it's the same as always. It looks like it's just an orange light and then white flashers. White, 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 and it's coming up kind of over 24162 next door. Pulse right, little left, pulse right, left, right, left, right, left, pulse, kind of gradual, little pickup, little bump, pulse. There are a lot of Cessnas and there are a lot in the copter pocket, but I was doing some stuff, so I didn't record them. This one's just closer and he was kind of revving. Now I see the right side. He's got a orange tail flasher, so he turned left and he's out kind of behind the houses. So now I see the green. Now it looked like he had an orange tail flasher. Bump, 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 bump. Yeah, so he doesn't have an orange tail flasher, it's just solid. Bump, 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 bump. Little left, little left, center bump. It's white, 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 flash, 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 flash. He's doing little bumps and pulses. I don't think he's the one I heard. I think something else is out in the backyard. So he's headed out over the park now. Little shifts. Bump, bump, right, left. Right, left, right, waving. Actually, I don't know. It looks like the tail might be flashing. I think it's just a screwed up, not a very bright bulb. And when he waves the tail, it looks like it's flashing. Anyways, he's going out slightly over the fire, behind the firemen's out into the park.